Hi everyone. In this tutorial, we will show you how to delete uploaded fonts in Canva. If you want to clean up your font list or remove fonts you no longer use, we will walk you through the simple steps to do it. On your Canva dashboard, open your project. If you want to delete fonts you have uploaded, here is how to do it. To delete an uploaded font, all you need to do is click on the font. Once it appears, click on the three dots. A menu will show up. From there, you can remove the font right away. Now, to find your uploaded fonts through the brand section, all you need to do is click on your brand. Go to the brand section on the left side of your dashboard. Once you are there, just click on Fonts. From here, you can click on the three dots next to the font. We are not able to show this step because we do not have a Canva business plan. But if you do have one, simply click on the three dots next to the font and then click Delete. And that is how you delete uploaded fonts in Canva. Keeping your fonts organized will make it much easier to pick the right style for your projects.